In this video, we're going to look at the 5 best CRM software for SMBs that can help you stay organized, automate your workflow, and grow your business in 2026. First up is HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM is one of the most popular choices for SMBs because of its powerful free plan. It offers contact management, deal tracking, email integration, and reporting tools, all in an easy-to-use interface. It's perfect for businesses that want an all-in-one CRM that can grow with them. Next is Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is known for its flexibility and affordability. It provides automation tools, multi-channel communication, and advanced analytics, making it a great option for businesses that need customization without high costs. Third is Pipedrive. Pipedrive focuses on sales pipeline management. Its visual interface makes it easy to track deals, manage leads, and monitor progress. It's especially useful for sales teams that want a simple, focused CRM to help close more deals. Fourth is Freshsales from Freshworks. Freshsales offers a combination of built-in communication tools, automation, and AI features. It's designed for quick setup and ease of use, making it a strong choice for SMBs that want an all-in-one solution without complexity. Finally is Salesforce Essentials. Salesforce Essentials brings the power of Salesforce to small businesses. It offers scalability, advanced features, and strong integrations, making it ideal for SMBs that plan to grow into more complex operations over time. So those are the 5 best CRM software options for SMBs in 2026. Whether you're looking for something simple, affordable, or highly scalable, there's a CRM on this list that can fit your business needs and help you manage customers more effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for the right CRM. And let me know in the comments which CRM you're using or planning to try. Thanks for watching.